Hello everyone, welcome to TeamSS channel. Hope so all of you are doing well, and in this video I will show you how you can fix calling speaker or air speaker not working problem in Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus or S21 Ultra. So just don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon, and let's start a video without wasting any time. So to fix air speaker or calling speaker not working problem in S21 Ultra or S21 Plus, simply first of all you just need to open settings. So first of all just go to settings and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video.